Hello, my name is Gleb Shtyrmer. I want to take you into the inspiring world of Renaissance art, not just as history, but as a living practice we can experience today. 15 years ago, when I came to Florence, it was because, like many others, I admire Renaissance art. And in my desire to learn how those masterpieces were produced, I've discovered an amazing craftsmanship tradition and beautiful philosophy and rigorous method underlying Renaissance artistry. In my course, we make our own tools and materials, reed and quill pens, different types of inks, glues, gessos, sizes, different types of tempera paint, and even paper. We literally make our artworks from scratch, using same or very similar materials to those you would find in a Florentine 15th century bottega. Renaissance masters like Leonardo, Michelangelo, Vasari, Donatello considered drawing a foundation of great artwork. Drawing techniques are foundational in my course too. We explore metal point drawing, ink and pen, chalk, and chiaroscuro techniques that prepare students to approach the more intricate process of tempera painting. This course is designed for students interested in art and art history at any level. Studio art students expand and sharpen their skills in new and refreshing ways. Art history and conservation students go beyond museum labels to actually see and feel how each material and technique was used. Renaissance goes beyond Leonardo, of course. It's a profound, rich and inspiring culture, and Florence offers a unique opportunity to dive right into it.